Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About tan x, we change by sin x over cosine x. This one that is about cosine x over sin x. This one that is about 1 over cosine x. This one that is about 1 over sin x. Next, we need to multiply by cosine x on numerator and denominator. This one by sin x. This one by cosine x. The next one that is about sin x. Next, so we simplify this one and we have cosine x plus sin x. This one that is about sin x plus cosine x. This one that is about cosine x plus 1. This is about sin x plus 1. Now, this one and this one we combine together. This one and this one we combine together. This one and this one we combine together. Now we simplify. This one we have number 1, and number 1. So we have number 3. And we have 3x plus c. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.